Alright folks, I got that part of the kit installed. The motor's on it, motor plate's on it, the base plate's on it. Told me it wouldn't fit. Got it anyway. And I had a trouble back here. I put the Allen heads in. That, well, they come with these, okay? I couldn't use these. I'd like to, but I couldn't. Because they would have set flush, but I couldn't use them. So I took the next best thing. I just put a washer. I had to bore this plate. Okay, the bolt pattern was just a little bit off, so I had to bore this plate. And I put a washer, and I put a shallow, and it's a 6mm nut or bolt. And the belt's clearing it now. Now the belt did not clear a regular cap head. It didn't clear it, so I had to do the next best thing and do that. And the belt's clearing it really good, no problems at all. And that belt's good and tight. Got the little adjuster handle on it to adjust the belt. That's good. Everything's good. I just cut the wire for the motor. It's not a big deal. It's 2 wires. 3 wires actually. There's a ground in there. But that was easier than monkeying around. Next hardest thing though is going to be mounting the power box back on the side, because you can look up the model number for this. It's a G, you know, this right here is in the way, so I'm gonna have to figure out some way of mounting the power box back on there. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Like I said, not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Ouch! Got my camera in one hand and I got pinched in the other. Okay. So anyway, I'm gonna have to do something else, and I don't like this particularly. You know, because it's, I don't know. So I'm gonna have to maybe lower it. Just, I don't really want to lower it lower now. Actually, might have to raise it. That's a good idea. Let's just raise it. Yeah, I think raising it would be a better deal. We'll do something. I think raising it, if I can get it to somewhat, let me see, even with, just leave a little drag down on the bottom of that, you know, right there. You see that moving? Leave a little bit and mount it right there. That would be so excellent, wouldn't it? We'll come up with something, man, I bet you. But they told me this kit wouldn't fit this mill. So, game on. It's fitting. We're gonna fire it next. Well, pretty soon. I can't guarantee this is gonna be the next piece, but this is part 2, and I'm trying to clean the magnets off as I go. Those little magnets for your what do you call it, potentiometer. Yeah, right there. And those magnets get that debris on them, and they don't like it. So, all right, so we'll get back to you. Hang on, and we're gonna see if we can wire things up and do a test fire and see how screwed up I did. Hang on. Alright YouTube, after a lot of work, yeah, we got it. The only thing I didn't get is the potentiometer. I didn't get that set up. I might do something different than putting it on that, because I might have to do something here on the corner of this plate or on this side of the plate and put it on there. Not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. If not, I can get a different potentiometer and put on there for the digital readout, and just pop that box out of the that display box out and put a different one in. Doesn't matter. That's not a big deal. This is what matters. Let's see if it works. Okay, let's put it in forward. Okay, and let's push the start button. It started. Okay, now let's turn the potentiometer on here. You know, that's not a potentiometer. This is a potentiometer. Alright, anyway. Hey! We have belt drive, folks. Boy, isn't that quiet? That is super quiet. That's full power right there. Like, I mean full speed anyway. I don't know what the speed is, but as soon as I get this box up here mounted so I don't have to hold it with my finger, we'll find out what speed we're running. They say you can get like 4,000 RPM out of this. It's more than I ever want. So, anywho, yeah, I went and greased the bearings and everything. I can get right down to a crawl. And this lathe is, or excuse me, mill is supposed to have what they call torque, whatever. I don't see that at this point. Like if it gets like to a point, maybe it needs a little more. Okay. Yep. It starts drawing more amps in it. You can hear it buzzing. Yep. Oh yeah. You can't do too much to bog it down. It's supposed to have that torque, whatever, I can't remember what they call it, technology or something. And that's just low RPM right there. Give it a little more juice. Yeah, it's supposed to have some kind of, I don't know what. I was reading it on the old Grizzly site. But anywho, let's go the other way with it. Nice. All right. He sure is quiet. We'll save the chattering for the actual end mill, right? Or the facer mill or face mill or whatever we're using. But hey, it's nice to see. Alright, I got a good deal on it, and got a good deal on the kit. And if I want to go back to the gears later, I can do that. I can get metal gears for it. But this is going to be the hometown experiment right now, because I like it. And I got 2 speeds, you know, in the pulley system. We got a top one on the motor and a bottom one on the motor, and yeah. I'll leave a link to the old mess when I get all done here. But anyhow, we got it. They said this wouldn't fit. This setup wouldn't. This kit wouldn't fit this. So you saw it work, and you saw it work on that. Alright, so that's part 2, guys. We'll bring you back when we get it completely done. That'll be part 3. Take care. Love you all. Thumbs up.